Hello, welcome to your third at-home art class. I've been doing a lot of thinking about what to do next, and I realized that we don't all have the same materials at home. Some of us might have markers, others don't have markers, but we have crayons. Some people have paint, some people don't. And I thought, let's use something everyone has. Laundry. Laundry is one thing that we all have. Doesn't matter if it's clean or dirty. Just go ahead and grab your laundry. That's right, we're using laundry to make art today. Step number 1 is going to be to just sort your laundry by color. Okay. All my clothes are sorted. So I have blacks and blues, got some greens, rainbow colored, some pinks, reds, purples, yellows, whites, tans, grays. Got it all sorted. Now, your challenge this week is to make art out of your laundry. I've told most grades what to make. Some are just making patterns, some are making portraits, and some are making landscapes. But I thought you guys could make whatever kind of masterpiece you would like to. So let's see what I can think of making with mine. As I was sorting my laundry, I remembered that one Christmas a friend of mine bought me socks that have famous artworks on them. And I thought, what if I find a way to use those in this challenge? Trying to flat them out so you can actually see what they are. That one's good. These aren't all of them, but they're floating around somewhere in my drawer still, probably. But these are the ones that were in my laundry. So I'm trying to brainstorm what I can do. Maybe I could just make an art gallery and use these as the art, because I bet you if I fold them, you can't really tell that that's a sock. Ooh, yeah, okay. So first, let me make my art gallery. going to use this gray shirt as, you know, my gallery wall. Hold that up a little bit. Okay, so then on the wall, see if I can fold these up. Okay, so there's my art hung up on the gallery wall. Looks pretty plain. Maybe I will put big gallery roof. Oh, maybe I need this. So it looks like a fancy display. Well, fancy if you forget the fact that I'm using my sweatpants to make this little display. That, and then what else does it need? Maybe the floor in front that people would walk on to see the artwork. Okay, so here's the flooring. I wonder if I could make a person walking there. That might be kind of hard, but I don't mind a challenge. Let's see here. What if I twist it? Okay, I have some ideas. How can I do that? I could use a hair tie. Okay, I wonder if this will work. So I'm gonna bunch up the top and use a hair tie to kind of make it look like there's a head at the top. Okay, but then how am I going to make arms? This might be a little bit too difficult for me, but let's see. Do I have the other sock that matches this? I can't find the matching sock. Okay, I can't find the matching sock, but I have this one. What if I tucked it in the back like this? I don't really pushing it here. This might be something you can't make out of laundry, but let's see. Oh my goodness, maybe it is. Well, it looks pretty silly, but I'm okay with silly. So that person's taking a stroll through the gallery and looking at the artwork. Well, I could call it done now, but I feel like it's missing something. Ooh, frames around the artwork. All fancy art galleries have frames around the artwork. Let's see. I have some socks I could use. This could look like a silver frame. Oh, it doesn't work on the gray background. What do I have that looks like it could be a frame? I could put something behind it. If I put this behind, oh, it's not quite big enough. What if I use jewelry? Jewelry could kind of look like a frame. Oh, I'm gonna go get my jewelry. Okay, let's see what I have that could work. Oh, I got it all tangled because I got excited. All right, I have this big pearl necklace. Could this be? Oh my goodness. Will that look? Could go around again, or can hide it under my floor. Haha. There. Kind of looks like that could be a frame. What else do I have? Have this one. Maybe that can go on the top. Maybe it's just a fancy frame, it's just fancy on the top. And this rainbow. Maybe I'm getting a little too crazy with my ideas now. But I mean, jewelry's kind of like art, right? So maybe instead of a frame, this is just like a fancy little decoration around this one. Because art galleries do that too. That's what that could be. I don't know if I can use these ones. All right, now before I get too carried away, maybe I should just call this done. How do you like my fancy sock art gallery? I can't wait to see what you make. Please don't forget to send me a picture because I really want to see what you make, and I haven't gotten very many from you yet. And don't forget to pick up the laundry after you take your picture. Maybe fold it all, put it all away. Have fun creating.